Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling developer options and turning off ad profiling so the system stops serving targeted content. First, open Settings and tap MIUI version 7 times to unlock developer options. Once done, go to Privacy and disable personalized ad recommendations. Make sure you're signed out of your MIUI account or have a backup before modifying system services. This reduces persistent ad targeting and prepares the device for the next steps, where we remove ad components and disable notifications. Now you remove or neutralize the ad packages that show banners and push ads. Open Settings Apps Manage Apps and look for packages like MSA, AdService, MICOF, or carrier-specific ad modules. Force stop them, clear data, and uninstall updates, then disable if the option appears. If the UI won't let you remove them, use ADB from a PC. Connect with a DB devices, then run a DB shell pm uninstall kuser0 package. Name to remove for the current user. This stops background ad processes and notifications. To finish, reboot and verify ads are gone across the launcher, browser, and system notifications. If something misbehaves, go to Settings Apps Reset App Preferences to restore disabled system apps you might need, then re-enable only essential services. Make sure to keep MIUI and Google Play updates limited if they reintroduce ad modules. If an update or change causes instability, restore from the backup you made or reinstall MIUI updates to recover system integrity. This is the key troubleshooting step to fall back on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.